In this video, we are going to look at how to solve a system of logarithmic equation. Let's call this equation 1 and equation 2. Now from equation 1, going by the division rule, this expression becomes log x over y base 2. On the right hand side of the equation, they are going to transform 2 to log form. The rule is that both sides of the equation must be in log form. So here 2 can be transformed to log form. Now log 2 base 2 is 1. So if I multiply 2 by 1, I have not really changed anything. So what I simply did was to multiply 2 by 1 in log form, which is log 2 base 2. So the next thing is to transform this 2 here. This 2 here comes up here going by the power rule. So log x over y base 2 equals log 2 to the power of 2 base 2. Going by the power rule, a number multiplying a log comes up to become the power of the number here. Now, because on both sides of the equation we have the log to be in the same base 2, we can equate the expression x over y to 2 to the power of 2. This gives us x over y equals 4. Cross multiplying, we have x equals 4y. This is the simplification for equation 1. Let's call this equation 3. Equation 2 gives us log x minus 2y base 2 equals, so 3 will be transformed to 3 log 2 base 2. Going by the identity rule that says that when log of a number and its base are the same, then it's 1. Now, the reason why I transformed this 3 here to 3 log 2 base 2 is because on both sides of the equation, you must have log on both sides of the equation. So 3 here cannot be left alone like this. You must transform into log form. So by simply multiplying 3 by 1 in log form. So 1 in log form is what gives us log 2 base 2. So I can choose to use any number. I would have chosen to use log 3 base 3 or log 4 base 4. But I've chosen to use log 2 base 2 because that's what I'm giving in the question. Base 2 is what I'm giving in the question. So that's why I'm using log 2 base 2 as my identity here. So after that, you write log x minus 2y base 2. Now don't forget, going by the power rule, this one becomes log 2 to the power of 3 base 2. The number here comes up here as the power. Equating the numbers, this expression equals this expression because the bases are the same. So x minus 2y equals 2 to the power of 3. X minus 2y equals 8. Now this is equation 4. To get y, we can substitute 4y for x in equation 4. So replace x with 4y. X becomes 4y here, minus 2y equals 8. 4y minus 2y is 2y equals 8. Dividing both sides by 2, y equals 4. Now to get x, substitute 4 for y in equation 3. Equation 3 here states that x equals 4y. So replace y with 4 and that gives us 16 for x. So 16 is our answer for x.